Louisiana Republican Senator Bill Cassidy. Senator, very good to see you. Are you worried when you look at what's happening here?
I think the fundamentals of the economy are strong. The Tax Cut and Jobs Act bill, with its 5-year immediate expensing for long-term capital investment, I think gives a nice, solid reason for business to continue to invest. I wonder and think that some of the sell-off related to the uncertainty of one thing previously mentioned, midterm elections. Democrats are saying they want to repeal the Tax Cut and Jobs Act bill. They want to go after corporations. I would be a little hesitant if I thought they may take back the House. I'm hoping they don't.
You know, the Saudis right now, the war words is escalating a little bit. German Chancellor Angela Merkel among those saying until they clear up all this stuff, we're not shipping anything to them. She was talking about arms shipments and the like. We, of course, already have a $110 billion arms deal. Should we hold off for a while and see what they say? Because their story does keep changing on the death of this journalist.
Yeah, the death of the journalist is terrible, but our long-term strategic relationship with Saudi Arabia is of key importance, vis-a-vis Iran in particular, but also as a partner with Israel vis-a-vis Iran. And so we do need to work through this, get some accountability, but recognize that long-term for the United States, it is important to have a Saudi relationship which is strong. I would like to preserve that relationship, even though right now clearly there are issues that must be addressed.
Do you think that these concerns about Saudi Arabia and their relationship, even economically with us, and then what's happening in Europe and concerns that the European Union is facing its biggest test yet with Italy, that all these foreign crises that never really directly affected us are now, and the chickens are coming home to roost?
I would argue that we are in a better position than we've ever been as regards foreign crises. We've become much more energy sufficient.
But haven't we created some of them, Senator? By that I mean, in the case of Caterpillar, talking to tariffs and the effect that that's having on the pricing of its goods and the stuff that it tries to import, that it's very clear the effect is real for them, that this trade war isn't working out so far.
Yeah, actually, what I heard from your previous is that the stock market, that Caterpillar looking down, is almost irrational because their earnings have been doing better than ever. And so, or at least very good, I should say, very good.
It was their guidance, sir, that alarmed some folks, and that they're worried about these tariff-related costs going forward. You're quite right to say the numbers were better than expected, but that guidance worried folks.
And I get that the guidance is going to be worrisome regarding the tariffs. There will be some economic fallout, but I think the United States economy is poised to do well, knowing that they have overseas markets, the degree to which energy costs stay lower, another reason to take care of the issue with the Saudis so that they can keep international oil prices lower, that the economy worldwide continues to grow, is something that will improve the outlook for Caterpillar. Tariffs are going to be an issue, let's face it, but worldwide growth is a bigger issue, and we need to look towards that and keep that going forward.
All right, real quickly on the Saudis, and you touched on it, Senator, unlike the Germans, we're on a wait-and-see approach. We want to still work with the Saudis. Angela Merkel seems to be of the opinion that she doesn't trust them, doesn't believe them, doesn't want to do business with them until they clarify this story. You don't think that should be our approach?
You know, we do need them to clarify the story, but long term, it is of importance for the entire world to have a strategic relationship with the Saudis, both in terms of their ability to influence worldwide oil prices and therefore the worldwide economy, as well as their linkage with us as regards Iran. If Iran had nuclear weapons, we would not even be talking about anything else but their ability to deliver a nuclear weapon. So we need the Saudis as we, if you will, address that issue with Iran. The death of this reporter, incredibly important, but long term, we need to maintain that relationship. That's what I'm emphasizing.
All right, Senator Cassidy, great catching up with you. Good seeing you.
Thank you.
All right, I already